Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Crispy Info. So today I am here to show you that how an obstacle avoiding robot runs. But before that I want to describe each and every component that I used while making this robot. So let's start. So first one is here, as you are seeing, this ultrasonic sensor. Okay. Then second one is this one motor driver IC, this L293D, and this is also L293D. Okay, L293D. This is a series of L293 and D series we used here, L293D IC, motor driver IC, which is used to control the motor, which is connected to the left side of this robot and to the right side of this robot. Okay, then after this there is Arduino UNO, which is just placed below of this motor shield board. Okay, this is Arduino UNO, is placed inside Arduino UNO. Okay, we are using here 28 dual inline package, 28 pins of dual inline package. Okay, out of which 14 pins are used for the input output digital, and we are using here 7 pins for doing our project. Okay, and then a servo motor is placed, as you are seeing here. This is servo motor is placed, which is used for the rotating this ultrasonic sensor 90 degree in each direction, a total of 180 degree. Okay, this is all about this robot. This is the wheel, and here is the free wheel, we call as this one is free wheel. It rotates 360 degree. Okay, and this you have to take robot chassis also, on which you have to place your robot. You can put more ultrasonic sensor also by putting more this board. You can put more ultrasonic sensor so that it can detect and better, you get more accuracy comparison to two ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so I am going to describe the working, how it works. So as you understand, there are 4 main components of this project. First one is ultrasonic sensor, second one is Arduino UNO, third one is that motor driver IC, that L293D, and fourth one is that this one is servo motor. Okay, so ultrasonic sensor, how it works. When you start this robot, and if any obstacle if any obstacle came in front of this ultrasonic sensor, which is of less than 15 centimeter, then what happens? It stops. Robot stops, and then this servo motor, by the help of the servo motor, it just rotate. This ultrasonic sensor rotate, and after rotation it will check the distance, that if the left distance is more than the right distance, then it rotates the left wheel in the reverse direction. Okay, and if the right distance is more than left distance, then it rotates the wheel, the right side of the wheel, in reverse direction. So how it works, as you know, this the ultras and the waves are coming from this place. So after just reflecting, it is going back and through the, and this it is connected to the potentiometer. So from potentiometer we are getting the values, we can measure that. Okay, so and the next thing is, after this ultrasonic sensor, this is servo motor. So it works on the principle of pulse width modulation, where it says that the angle of rotation of this ultrasonic sensor is depends on the length of the pulse. Means minimum we have to use 20 milliseconds, so that angle of rotation depends on the length of the pulse. Okay, that says by the servo motor principle. Okay, and third one is this L293D IC. There is 2 series of this, L293D and L293B. So L293D is used for the protection of the diode, and L293B is, I think, we are not using for the protection diode. So here we are using L293D. Okay, and the 16 pins of L293D IC, it is controlling the this motor, the left hand side of the motor and right side of the motor. Okay, so here are 16 pins of this L293D, where the first and 8th pin is connected to the supply of the 5 volt, and 2 and 7 are connected to the control input, and 3 and 6 are connected to the motor, and 4 and 5 are grounded. Same for the right side also. Okay, so there are 16 pins of L293D, and last one is Arduino UNO, where all the instruments, all the components are connected and it's controlled. We have just given the program, built the program and burn inside that microcontroller Arduino UNO. So we have just loaded our program in that microcontroller, that microcontroller Arduino UNO. It is at mega 328p. P is for the pico power, and it is of 8 bit and 2 kilobyte EEPROM, 1 kilobyte of flash memory, and there are 3 timers also used in that Arduino UNO, where two are of 8 bits and one is of 16 bits. So all the connections of the instrument is directly going to the Arduino UNO, and we are just giving the program, loaded the program in the Arduino UNO, and then it works. So I'm just going to show you that. And we are using, for the power supply, we are using here this power bank of 4000 mAh. Okay, 4000 mAh we are using here, 4000 mAh, and the input and output is of 5 volt DC, 1 ampere. So we are using here this power bank for giving supply. So from this wire we are giving supply. So just let's see that how it works. So I'm going to show you. So I have just make an arena, and we just looked at how it just avoid the obstacles. And later on I will just modify in this. I will try to control this robot by the help of mobile, by putting the Bluetooth device in that robot, and I can put some camera also, so I can use for some more purposes, like in military purposes, like in mines, and there are so many places where a human cannot able to go. So we can use this type of robots at that places. There are so many applications you can use this is used as a toys for children also. And there are so many uses. For vacuum cleaner also we can use the modification of this robot, modification of this logic program we can use for the vacuum cleaner also. And there are so many applications. For conservation of the forest also we can use, for security purpose also we can use, and there are so many applications. So just have a look at how it works. So I'm going to give him the power. So just see that how it is working. So I am giving the supply, as you are seeing. I'm giving the supply from this power bank. Okay, so just you have see that after giving the power, as we are seeing that how it is just avoiding. As you are seeing that how it avoids when any obstacle is coming, it just avoiding that part. So friends, I spent near to 1700 rupees while making this robot. Arduino UNO is little bit costly. It is of 790. I pay 790 for this, and another ultrasonic sensor you'll get within 200 rupees, and the wheel and the robot chassis, motor, L293D IC, all you can make by spending 1500 to 1700 rupees. So I think if you enjoyed this video, then please share, so that everyone can get a glimpse or get an overview of obstacle avoiding robot using ultrasonic sensor and Arduino UNO. So if you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe it, so that you'll get more videos on this type of things and some more new things. So thank you for watching this video.